Introducing the all-new SpeedWash system from Generac. It makes pressure washing so fast and easy, you might even enjoy the work. The Generac SpeedWash starts with best-in-class 2,900 PSI cleaning power, and it puts pressure control right at your fingertips with the innovative power dial gun. Forget about constantly stopping to switch nozzles every time you need to change the pressure. With the power dial gun, you simply match the dial to the cleaning task. Dial it up to blast away tough stains on concrete. Dial it down for a gentler wash on cars, patio furniture, or windows. And the heavy-duty flex hose never tangles or kinks, ensuring constant pressure and flow. Plus, Generac's cutting-edge cleaning attachments put the SpeedWash system in a class by itself. The optional Power Broom makes cleaning decks and driveways fast, up to 4 times faster, without streaking or causing damage. And just look how easy it is to use. The turbo nozzle uses a high-pressure rotating jet to scrub away grime and increase cleaning speed by up to 30%. And the soap blaster sprays detergent 3 times farther than ordinary washers, saving you time and steps. Order now and you'll get the turbo nozzle and the soap blaster for free. Plus, free shipping is now in effect, but you must act now.
Of course, spring is a great time to do some spring cleaning, and when you're ready to really get serious, it's time to grab the pressure washer. Recently, we saw a homeowner here at this house use a pressure washer for the first time, and it was amazing to see how well she did in completely changing the sidewalk and patio from a dark, gloomy surface to a very welcoming area going right into her house. Now, what she used is Generac's brand new 3100 power dial gun, and it's just really cool. I mean, first of all, it's a great design. It has all the tips that you need. It has a very nice ergonomic handle here to make it very easy on your hands and arms. But then this is the real cool part. You have the adjustment dial right on the handle that you can go from that 3,100 pounds per square inch to a lot gentler wash that you can use for washing the outside of your home, shutters, fencing, even the car. And again, this is brand new. Will be hitting the market very, very, very soon. It's the Generac 3100 Power Dial.
The Generac 3600 PSI Pressure Washer is a heavy-duty machine designed to deliver professional quality results. It's perfect for cleaning all types of surfaces, from heavy equipment to residential siding to brick or concrete walkways. Maneuvering is easy thanks to the wheelbarrow style cart and 10-inch pneumatic tires that roll smoothly over almost any surface. Brass quick change fittings let you hook up fast without the hassle of threaded connections. The ergonomic spray gun has an easy action trigger and cushioned grip so your hand won't cramp. And the 30-foot high-pressure hose is designed for maximum flexibility so you never need to wrestle it. Engineered and built in the USA, this unit is powered by a Generac 212cc overhead valve engine. Its horizontal shaft configuration is ideal for pressure washing and delivers maximum cleaning performance. And it features an automatic low-oil shutdown to protect it against damage. The Generac engine drives a high-quality AR triplex pump with ceramic-coated pistons for long life. This engine-pump combination produces 3,600 PSI to handle the toughest applications and a high flow rate of 2.6 gallons per minute to optimize your productivity. 5 nozzle tips are included to cover every use, from lower pressure soaping to a concentrated beam for blasting away the toughest stains from cement and other hard surfaces. Whether you're a contractor or a homeowner who appreciates the value of professional-grade gear, this machine will not disappoint. Generac Pressure Washers, professional grade.
Introducing Generac's new SpeedWash Pressure Washer. It's built tough to help you tackle almost any cleaning project fast. The SpeedWash Pressure Washer features best-in-class cleaning power with 3,200 PSI. Generac's innovative power dial gun lets you switch between cleaning jobs right at your fingertips. choose between 4 application settings: car, wood, concrete, and soap, to easily select the right pressure setting for your cleaning tasks. The power dial gun's ergonomic design and cushion grip provide a more comfortable grip while using the pressure washer. The unit comes with attachments that make cleaning easy and fast. Ideal for cleaning decks, patios, and walkways, the Power Broom makes cleaning jobs 4 times faster. The Power Broom minimizes overspray, and 4 high-pressure nozzles provide a 12-inch cleaning path for faster, uniform results. The turbo nozzle's rotating pinpoint stream agitates dirt out of porous surfaces, making it the perfect accessory. It cleans surfaces up to 30% faster than other nozzles. The Soap Blaster nozzle applies soap at high pressure, delivering 3 times the force of a standard soap nozzle, and removes tough stains faster. The 3200 SpeedWash features a 30-foot heavy-duty flex hose that won't kink, resists abrasions, and won't mar work surfaces like driveways and decks. And 30 feet of hose means more cleaning radius and less moving the pressure washer around. The SpeedWash pressure washer features a powerful, reliable Generac OHV engine. The high-quality brass head axial cam pump lasts up to 2 times longer than the competitive aluminum head pumps, and the large fuel tank means fewer fill-ups. The SpeedWash features an easy-to-access onboard detergent tank to help you conveniently use cleaning solutions. When you have heavy-duty jobs but not a lot of time, Generac's SpeedWash pressure washer blasts through cleaning projects fast.
Introducing the OneWash from Generac, the first and only power washer that features variable pressure control for a variety of cleaning tasks, all at the turn of a dial. Just match what you're cleaning with the icons on the power dial, and the OneWash will automatically adjust the intensity of the spray to suit the task. So you can take care of delicate jobs that need low pressure, like cleaning a car, to cleaning aluminum and vinyl siding, to cleaning decks and fences, and even take care of the tough jobs like cleaning brick and concrete. The OneWash is powered by an engine that is the largest in its class, giving you top power and performance to go with all of that convenience. If the oil or water runs low, the system alert is activated and the OneWash automatically cuts power to the unit to protect it from damage. The detergent tank features a drain, which allows for very easy cleaning. And of course, it's easy to move around thanks to these 11-inch all-terrain wheels. So if you're ready to bring home the cleaning power and convenience of variable pressure controls at the turn of a dial, pick up the OneWash from Generac.